Okay guys, 3 projects we are working on today. We are working on these lights, installing these lights. I found these on Amazon. They were 14 bucks. So far they look awesome. We tried plugging them in. The greatest thing about these is they are USB accessible and or battery charged. So we don't have to actually plug them into the wall. We have a radio we planned on plugging this into for some lighting at night, some extra mood changers there. And then also we have burlap. We are going to install burlap. I seen this in a picture on Instagram. Someone else did it. It looked amazing on their ceiling. That's where we're gonna put it, by the way, on the ceiling. And we're not sure how we're going to install this yet, but we're thinking we're going to use magnets and try to just put them up with magnets. We have quite a bit of them, so we're not sure if we're going to cut them, how it's going to go. So just kind of stay tuned, see how that turns out. It might look not good at all, or it might look freaking great. And this might also just be temporary until we decide if we want to do wood on the ceiling or not. The roof, ceiling, whatever. Another thing we got is the sunshades. We got sunshades. We got 2 of them for the 2 back side windows. We have curtains already for the back rear window, so we don't need anything for that. So we're gonna cut this out today and just go ahead and follow along. See you soon. We had to take a break. It's way too hot outside. It says it's 73 degrees, but it's like 90. Oh, Bubba, I know. Someone was getting cranky. But we got one window almost squared away. Nap time. Someone woke up. He took like a 5-minute nap, I swear. Not even enough time.
Cut it straight.
Cut it straight. Okay, give me the... Okay, it's done.
Done skis.
It's velcroed on. Let me see what it looks like. Here's it.
Thank you to the 60s.
Oh, you can't see. It's so dark. Here, let me come over here and show. Actually, can you rip it to show them that there's Velcro?
I don't know if I can.
You can't hit it.
It's so good.
Velcro.
Bam.
You would think actually this project would be extremely easy with a baby. Not so much. A little harder. We had one person it. Well, we tried magnets and you know, holding them up to the burlap, and these magnets are they're not strong enough. I mean, yeah, they hold, but barely. Like if you touch it, like it would fall down. This other magnet we just happen to have laying around is extremely strong. It works much better. So it's a good idea. So either if we want to keep with the magnet idea, we could find stronger magnets or use double-sided tape. We could always do that. We have double-sided tape. We're gonna try that actually. It's not as easy as you think to do any of these 3 projects actually. We are using these commander hooks to hang our little lights, and well, some of them are falling. And the burlap right there did not pan out because, like I said, our hooks are not strong enough. And we even tried doing some tape stuff, but it wasn't gonna be what we liked. So we just scratched that project.
That was temporary anyway.
That was gonna be temporary, and temporary wasn't good enough. The way we were gonna put it done. But anyhow, so fail. That was a fail, huh, Harrison?
That was a fail.
Well, at least to got my son happy. He's eating paper. He's happy. He's eating paper. You hungry? There you go. We're not that impressed with the lights situation, but oh well, that's what we got. Well, we came to the hot dog stand to test out our new lights and our window coverings, and it's going great so far, wouldn't you say?
So far, so good.
Yeah. Just waiting for our hot dogs.
Show them the hot dog stand.
They can see it. It's a hot dog.
It's a Dotson.
It's a Dotson.